Okay, so we were discussing this. So from the first option, we have B is greater than A, and which is in turn is greater than C, and this statement is absolutely correct. From the second one, we have C is greater than B is greater than C, and which in turn is greater than A. This is also correct. From the third statement, I am having A is greater than C, and A is greater than B, which is also correct. But the last statement, A is greater than B, is greater than C. This statement is false because हमारे पास जो statement था वो ये था कि वो ये था कि A is greater than B and is greater than C, but यहाँ पे C is coming out to be the greatest, so this statement is false. So my dear friends, my correct answer will be option number D. Let us move to the next question. Leave this question. These questions have some issue. I will discuss these questions later on. हाँ, यहाँ पे the last topic that I wanted to discuss was alphanumeric puzzle. Alphanumeric puzzle क्या होता है बेटा? कि here you have to select digits such that this equation whatever is being written that is satisfied. Take your time. Take 1
Sir, I
minute.
got the answer.
Wait. Why wait? What is the answer that you got?
Sir, option B, 4.
What will be the value of B?
Sir, B's value will be
Better without calculating B, how you calculated option number B as 4? Tell me. हाँ भाई.
Sir, the value will be same only, no?
Okay. Wait. Why you did not took 6 into 6?
But sir, if we take 6 into 6, then it will be 6 6 are 36 and 6 3 are 18. So sir, 21. Sir, it is here written 7.
Very good. This is what I wanted to know from you. Your good name is Tanmay, if I'm not wrong.
No sir, Bhavya.
Bhavya. Very good, Bhavya. See, some of you have a habit of answering rarely, but whenever you answer, you give correct answers. Very good, Bhavya. Thank you.
Sir, the value of B will be 5.
The value of B will be 5, and Jay, I was about to scold you, but then I realized that you are not in the meeting. I thought it was just a random guess made from your side but you were not in the meeting. So I beg your pardon if I don't think I said anything, but I was about to scold you. Okay, चलो. देखो भाई कैसे करेंगे. Okay, Jay, can you please help me out how you solve this question?
Sir, I just took the values from the option.
तो ऑप्शन से तो आपने ए की वैल्यू ली, बी की वैल्यू कहाँ से ली आपने?
Sir, I used 3's value as A and B's value is 4 and then calculated like that.
First you used what you used?
Sir, A's value 3 and B's value 4.
क्या कर रहे हो यार? ऐसे कैसे? ऐसे कब तक करते रहोगे? You know how many combinations will be there? You know how many combinations
Yes,
will
sir.
be there? There are 4 options here, and for B you will have total. For B you will have total 9 choices. 4 into 9, 36. 36 times are you going to try this question? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is not how the questions are being done, Jay. Please don't do questions like this. सिर्फ यहाँ क्लास में सॉल्व. अगर मान लो यहाँ तो ठीक है, आपको ऑप्शन नंबर बी यहाँ पे मिल गया, आपने तुरंत बता दिया. ऑप्शन नंबर बी यहाँ पे होता तब क्या करते? अगर 4 यहाँ पे होता और आपकी वैल्यू नहीं आती तब क्या करते? Then also how you gave the answer so quickly? You took the value of B as 4, B A as 4, and what was the value of B you took? What was the value?
Sir, 5.
Why 5? Why not any other value? This is what I want to know. Why you took value of B as 5? Why not any other value? Tell me.
Sir, the value was not able to give the answer 2175. That's it.
Which value you tried? Which value you tried?
Sir, for what?
For B.
Sir, 5. First, 4, 3 and 5.
4, 3 and 5 ट्राई किया और आपको आंसर नहीं, 5 के बाद आंसर मिला आपको. Jay,
Yes, sir.
I sincerely doubt how you can do the question so quickly. How anybody can do the question so quickly when he is not having a clear logic for assuming the value of B. My fears are, I hope my fears don't come true. Observe the question very carefully. Let us observe the question very carefully. See what we are having. B multiplied by B. B multiplied by B is giving me the result as B. ऐसा बेटा सिर्फ 3 ही नंबर्स के साथ हो सकता है. पहला, 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. दूसरा, 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. और तीसरा, 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. तो या तो B की वैल्यू 0 हो सकती है, या तो 5 हो सकती है, या तो 6 हो सकती है. सर अभी जिसने बोला था प्लीज रिमूव योर माइक बिकॉज योर वॉइस दिस माइक इज हैज हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम. इट विल डैमेज ears of everyone. Please remove your mic or reduce its volume. Please remove your mic or reduce its volume, whoever has spoken just now, because your mic has some issues. Okay. Now my dear
Here it
friends,
can be one also.
it can be one also. Yes, it can be one also. So there are, so I'm having 4 options here. Now I cannot take option, now I cannot go with 0 because the problem is any number multiplied by 0 gives the result as 0. If I'm going with 1, then 3 into 1 will be equal to 1. If I'm going with 1, so 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, but here I'm having 7. So I cannot go with 1 also. Next, let us check with 36. If I'm going with 36, so 6 into 6 will be 36. Here 6 is there, carry 3. 6 into 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. यहाँ पे 1 आना चाहिए था, 2 नहीं, 7 नहीं. So 6 is also not the correct one. So I will go with 5. If I'm going with 5, I will find that here I'm having 4. Here I'm having 4. So the value of A will be equal to 4 and the value of B will be equal to 5. यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में आपसे कई सारी चीजें पूछ. Pardon, please speak loudly.
Even I was trying the same logic, but I checked 6 first, so I got the answer little
Okay.
bit late.
Okay. See, you can say यहाँ पे आपसे और भी चीजें पूछी जा सकती हैं. A plus B की वैल्यू भी पूछी जा सकती है. A minus B की वैल्यू भी पूछी जा सकती है. They can ask you anything. Okay. So my dear friends, now I will quickly stop here because we have another class in few minutes. So I will quickly stop here. I will see you guys tomorrow. I mean day after tomorrow with some more questions of this topic. The topic is still not over. I have a lot of questions. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye-bye. Take care and have a nice time.